We actually struggled to get the commercial valuation that we wanted. We actually owed more money than what we pulled out. So we pulled out that money. I think there was about 20K still left in the deal. But that's only just because we made mistakes. Got it wrong, didn't work out what I thought it was going to be. Yeah, we didn't get, because I didn't know what I was doing in the beginning. And we're trying to get these refinances, and it was like Russian roulette. Sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't work. Our development's made up of a few different areas, so let me give you these. Homes. The reason I call them homes is because that's the product. So these are family homes. Is there demand for family homes, yes or no? If there wasn't, there would be no new house builders. Yeah, then we've also got flats and apartments. The reason why these are separated out, because these are a very nice game to play. Because if I build a block of flats or apartments, let's say 15, just for example, I'll take any buildings around here, or out in Derby, there's plenty of them. We can do from commercial to the residential. And I've got 15 flats. What I can now do is choose to sell all 15 and just get loads of cash coming in. Or I could hold them all and rent them out, do a refinance, so I get all my money back out and just get the monthly. Or I could do a combination. And this is where it gets really creative. Because I might then say, well, to get all my money out the deal, pay everyone back, all I need to do is sell 4, keep 11, or maybe sell 11 and keep 4, and I can decide, and we can get a little bit creative here. Does that make sense? What else we got? Yeah, so then one I've already showed you, which is new builds. So we can go out there and find the land and do the new builds, and there's loads of little nook and crannies, yeah, that are like houses with land. Like there's a lot of the older houses, do they have smaller gardens or bigger gardens? The new ones, for some of them, we're kind of going back to building houses with gardens now, yeah. But like there was a time where all the new houses didn't have hardly any garden, but the older ones, they got the big long gardens, yeah. So you can buy houses just like I did, and then split it and build a house on the side, build a house on the back. Also, what we can do under development is deals. What this means is like selling deals. So I don't even have to do the deal myself. I can source it onto someone. There are so many people within the real life tribe that are looking for deals right now, and they just don't want to go find it themselves. So people will buy deals for 2,000, 5,000, even as much as 10,000 for these type of deals here that we've seen, even more for the bigger ones. Do you want to see some examples of some flips and some sales? So let's have a look at this one. Queen's Road, bought it for £95,000, and then we refinanced it. So, by the way, we do all of these things and all of these things because we can sell these as well. So this was actually done as a HMO in the beginning, 4-bed, very small. So we actually struggled to get the commercial valuation that we wanted. But when we refinanced it, we still got £70,000 out of the deal. Is that good? Is that good, yes or no? So £70,000, but then we were like, you know what, because it's only 4-bed, it's not cash flowing that much. Let's see if we can sell it. How much do you think we could sell it for? Bought it for 95, spent about 45 on it. How much do you think we could sell it for? 170 would be good, yeah? 250 you say? Let's have a look. 250,000, look at the profit. You know what I like? I like that sentence that says, amount due to you. Yeah, 171,000. Anyone would like 171,000? On top of the 70,000. So let's have a look at this one. So we purchased this 125,000. You see that at the top there? So this is the completion statement for buying it. And then this is what it was. But look, it's a jungle, right? Jungle. I don't know what that curtain's doing over there. Yeah, this chair looked like something my granddad would probably sit in. Yeah, back in the day. Peeling off. Check this out where the bins are. You see the bins? Look, what's that? It's like an outhouse, yeah? You want to see what we did to that outhouse? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. Yeah, so the kitchen only came to like just where that sink is. That's where the kitchen was, so then we extend it out. Just got to get creative. What's the things that that cause people to want to buy properties? Number of bedrooms, and what's the other room that has to be cool? Kitchen. Yeah, well, builders we need, yeah. So the kitchen. So if you can increase the number of rooms, so this was a 2-bed made into a 3-bed, and then we made the kitchen bigger. Now it stands out on that row of houses, so people wanted to live in there. Yeah, and you can see the garden, check the garden out over there, front of the house looking all good, you know, all nice when these guys have moved in. That's a loft room. We went up into the loft as well. Yeah, remember I told you about the loft. I tell you about what happened to this deal tomorrow. Yeah, you know, garden looking all good, nice and everything. Yeah, then we purchased this one for 95,000, and then what happened? So this was again a 5-bed HMO this time. That other one was a family home, by the way. This one was a 5-bed HMO. So we buy it and then we refinanced it. Now we actually owed more money than what we pulled out. So we pulled out that money. I think there was about 20k still left in the deal. So we still owed more money. So although we had the 49,000, we had to give that to our investor, and we still owed 20,000. Yeah. So we cash flowed. So actually at the time we did another deal where we took out about 90,000 and we used that to pay the extra 20 off. So then we kept this and it was cash flowing, I don't know, about 800 quid. So it was quite low because it was pretty small. So then we was like, you know what, let's sell it because the cash flow is low, because it's below my threshold. Make sense? But that's only just because we made mistakes. Got it wrong, didn't work out what I thought it was going to be. Yeah, we didn't get, like, because I didn't know what I was doing in the beginning. But we're trying to get these refinances, and it was like Russian roulette. Like sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't work. No, but do you know what I mean? Like it was pot luck. Now it's like we reverse engineer it. 100% of the time we get what we want. Yeah. Would you like me to teach how to do that? Okay. So what happened? So we sold it. How much we sell it for? Look at the sale price. So we made £146,000. Is that good? Yeah, good, all good. Okay. If you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Comment in, write in, message to us. Let us know what it is that you need so we can help you get what you want. We're building this community. We're building a bunch of business entrepreneurs and beasts and property beasts, and we want to help as many people as possible reach their financial and business goals. So until next time, do the right thing for the right reason, because it is the only way you're going to discover your true potential.